Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain to you the question E of exercise 7.3 and also the word problem of money. Question is subtract the sum of rupees 20.85 and rupees 31.40 from 70.50. Children, question is saying first we have to add given these two amounts rupees 20.85 and rupees 31.40. After that the answer will come. We will subtract that answer from 70.50. Okay. So add both these amounts. We will write here rupees, R means rupees, P means paise. Rupees is 20. We have to write 20 here and paise is 85. Next amount 31 rupees and 40 paise. Now I am going to add these amounts. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 right here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 plus 3 is 5. 52 rupees 25 paise. Now we have to subtract this amount from rupees 70.50. We have to write here rupees and paise. So first write 70.50. 70 rupees 50 paise. Next answer is 52.25. Right here 52.25. 52 rupees 25 paise. Now subtract. Zero cannot cut 5, so it will take borrow from 5. 5 gave 1 to 0, so 0 became 10 and 5 became 4. Now 10 minus 5 is 5 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Next 0 cannot subtract 2. It take borrow from 7. 7 gave 1 to 0. So 0 became 10 and 7 became 6. Now 10 minus 2 is 8 and 6 minus 5 is 1. Answer is rupees 18 and 25 paise. Children, now we will write the answer below like this. You can see. First we have to write both amounts with answer. Rupees 20.85 plus 31.40. Answer rupees 52.25. Clear? Now write here 70.50 minus 52.25. Answer is rupees 18.25. Write here answer rupees 18.25. Is that clear? Once see again. Next topic is word problem of money. Question is Mona bought a toy for rupees 12.25 and a pair of slippers for rupees 89.90. How much did she spend? In this question, first of all, we have to see how much money Mona bought toy and how much money sleepers. After that, we have to add both these amount and see how much money Mona spent. That is to say, we have to add this question. Okay. So first we have to write first statement. Is the first statement cost of toy? How much? 12 rupees 25 paise, right? Rupees 12.25. Next statement, cost of sleepers. How much? Rupees 89.90. 89 rupees 90 paise. Now we have to find out how much money she spent. So we will write here, therefore total money she spent rupees 12.25 plus rupees 89.90. So now we will write, both amount here. So now we will add both amounts. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 will write here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 9 is 12. We have to write here 2 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 8 is 10. Total amount spent rupees 102 rupees 15 paise. Here we will write answer rupees 102.15. That is total money she spent. Clear? Next question is, Ramesh got rupees 6.85 from his father and rupees 27.30 from his uncle. How much money did he get in all? So in this question, we have to add this question with statement. First sentence is, Ramesh got rupees 6.85 from his father. So first statement will be, money got from father. Money got from father. How much? Rupees 6.85. Right? 6 rupees 85 paise. Next statement will be, money got from uncle. How much rupees got from uncle? Rupees 27.30. And we both add the amounts. We will know how much money Ramesh has. Okay, so we will write here, therefore total got money father given how much rupees? 6.85 rupees, 6.85 plus how much did uncle give? Rupees 27.30. We'll add it now. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. We'll write here 1 and put 1 carry here. 7 plus 1, 8. Sorry, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Right here 4, 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. Right here rupees 34.15. Now we have to write here answer. He had total of rupees 34.15. You understand? Okay.